Tell me about yourself.
My name is Joshua Weinfeld, and I'm a sophomore in the Sport and Recreation Management program at Temple University. As a Dean's List student and current intern for the prestigious Philadelphia Phillies baseball organization, I have learned a lot about myself. I have realized that I am certainly a result-focused person. I always set numerous goals for myself that I want to reach by a predetermined time. These goals consist of both short-term goals and long-term goals. These goals are what gives me the drive and the ambition I need to try to be successful. I have always been a team player and have had a team-first mentality. Since grade school and being on the baseball team, I have seen what positive teamwork can do. From being on various baseball teams throughout the years, I have seen firsthand that it is crucial that every player does their role. The importance of everyone doing their part in helping one another cannot be stressed enough. I believe by building great teamwork, it enables everyone involved to learn how to cope and handle conflict, which is seen in all types of workplaces and all sorts of teams. When great teamwork is present, I believe that conflict becomes less common and trust and structure becomes present and in turn increases productivity and work. Lastly, I've always been an intrinsically motivated person. Nothing makes me want to put forth my maximum effort more so than knowing that I am having a purpose with the team or the organization and that I am learning new things. I strive off of helping others achieve their personal goals as well as achieving the team's overall goals. While the money may be nice and possibly come with the job in time, nothing is a better feeling than feeling that I've helped myself learn something new and I'm helping whoever else it may be. I feel that having an intrinsically motivated person in the open management position that your company is offering is ideal because that type of person typically has priorities that favor the company. As for myself, the personal needs of others and helping others has always been a higher priority than helping myself. With the combination of myself being a result-focused person and a teamwork-first mentality, and an intrinsically motivated person, I have taken all three and have made them who I am.
Tell me about a significant accomplishment in your life.
A significant accomplishment that I have just recently completed was setting the Philadelphia Phillies 2012 individual sales record on my third day on the job. In my first 5-hour workday, I set the record of $12,187 in sales, surpassing the previous record of $10,889. In turn, that led to me setting the weekly record of over $56,000 in a 5-day period. The $12,000 sale day was 36% above the average day's individual sale. I got recognized by the team's vice president of ticket sales for my accomplishment. What the most rewarding part of the accomplishment for myself was that I, along with my manager, we were able to create a new sales script based off the script that I had created for myself that led to my success. I was able to incorporate innovative ideas and help oversee the script being implemented with the entire sales team. It was very rewarding to have myself establish a growth strategy that has since been very successful. I helped train my coworkers along with training new employees. This made the whole process of building good coworker strategy extremely easy. During the creation of the script, my manager and I relied heavily on a SWOT analysis of the organization. We drew up the strengths, the weaknesses, the opportunities, and the threats the Phillies face. In doing this, we were able to hit on some of the opportunities that were available and take advantage of them. A threat was very prominent in this process with dealing with the socioculture that is the Philadelphia Phillies fan base. The Phillies fan base is a society that changes by month. If the Phillies are doing well, the hot ticket in town is to come see the Philadelphia Phillies. If the team is losing or they suffer some injuries, they become less desirable. So in creating the script, I had to make sure we were able to plan ahead for the future, knowing that we are unaware of the demand that will be ahead. Since then, sales have gone up a total of 14% compared to last year at this time.
Tell about something you've learned in class.
Something I have learned in class that has been extremely valuable is the whole concept of transformational leadership. Various types of leadership power have been exposed to me over the years, but the crisp and effective way of transformational leadership is a new concept to myself and appears to be the most efficient way of leadership. All of the parts of transformational leadership are great qualities and techniques to use. Whether it is the individualized consideration, intellectual stimulation, idealized influence, or inspirational motivation, all are pivotal concepts that an effective leader should have. This concept has been used by some of the best leaders in the world and has shown great results. Whether it is Herb Brooks leading the United States to the Miracle Gold Medal of 1980, or Phil Miller leading one of the top companies in the world, the prestigious Aramark Corporation, past the devastation of September 11th. Various examples show how necessary it is to be a transformational leader and how effective the results are. It is pivotal for potential managers and leaders to use every part of transformational leadership they can in order to create the best possible scenario for everyone involved. In addition to transformational leadership, the importance of the Wall Street Journal may actually be the most important thing that I have learned in class. Never has reading the Wall Street Journal seemed to be important to me, when in fact it very well might be the most important thing that I can take from class. The Wall Street Journal keeps me involved in the current business world. However, it put to rest my assumption that it was only business news. Now I'm aware that I am able to see all the various types of news in the world. Previously, I never thought I could read anything regarding sports in the Wall Street Journal. Now I realize I can read all about sports information that is important to me, and I can also read about the financial side of sports, which is extremely important to my major and my career aspirations. By reading the Wall Street Journal, it is now something that gives me an icebreaker and conversation piece to talk about when attempting to network. It also enables me to be current in the world and feel confident enough to talk about various news stories that perhaps potential employers and professors are talking about. The most important thing regarding the Wall Street Journal is the fact that it gives me information relevant to my everyday life and in the direction that the economy is heading that I'm part of and living in every day.